Today we're going to talk about alternative price in the distributor system. Alternative price is essential when you need to use multiple prices for the same material, depending on the type of customer. For example, if you have a fabricator customer and want to sell a material above the standard price, you can define that using an alternative price. You can also set a lower price for a specific customer group, if needed. From the main menu, go to Inventory and click Setup. In this section, you'll find the alternative price settings. Here you can see that I already have a few options created in my list. To add a new one, click New. Enter a name. I'll use Fabricator TX for Texas, and then set a percentage. If this is a discount, you can enter a minus sign before the value. If it's a markup, just enter the number. I'll enter 10%, which will be an additional percentage applied to fabricators in Texas. Then click Save. After creating your alternative prices, the next step is to link them to your customers. From the main menu, go to Customers, then click New. You'll fill in all the customer information, then choose the type of business and the alternative price for that customer. In type of business, I'll select Fabricator. And in alternative price, I'll select Fabricator Texas, the one we've created earlier. After filling everything out, click Save. If the customer is already registered, go to List of Customers and select the customer. You will see this screen where you can assign an alternative price. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Now let's go to Bundles under the Inventory section in the main menu. For every bundle that has already been added or that will be added to your system, you can assign one or more alternative prices to create different price variations. I'll open this Alaska White bundle. As you can see, the sales price, which is the standard list price, is $16 per square foot. The old price, which is used when there's a promotion, is $15 per square foot. If you scroll down on the left side, you'll find the List of Alternative Prices section. Click the Pull Alternative Prices button. This will automatically add all the alternative prices you created in the setup page. As you can see here, the Fabricator Texas option, which has a 10% markup, appears here with a price of $17.60. Since the sales price for Alaska White is $16, the values are calculated correctly. The Update Price button is used when you make changes to an alternative price in the setup page. After saving, the page reloads and updates the alternative price with the new value. The new button is not used to create a new alternative price from the bundle. Instead, it allows you to add an alternative price that was created later and hasn't yet been linked to this bundle. For example, if I remove Builder from this list and want to add it again, or if I create a new alternative price in the setup and want to include it in the Alaska White bundle, I can do that here. After adding the alternative prices to the bundles, let's simulate how this works in an order. Before leaving the page, don't forget to click Save. Now go to Orders and click New. Select a customer from your list. This customer, for example, is in the Loyal Customer Alternative Price list, which gives them an 8% discount on my bundles. Here, select the tax, and below select the material. Remember, it's important that the bundle has alternative prices assigned and that the customer is linked to one as well. Now let's save this order. Done. In Item Details at the top, you can see the bundle details. This customer with a 10% markup alternative price is paying $17.60 for this bundle. However, if I decide that this customer should pay a promotional price different from the one originally assigned, I can change that as well. To do this, click the money icon next to the item and select the alternative price you want to apply. Done. Now the customer will pay $14.72 for this slab. For the slab below, since I didn't change its alternative price, it will keep the previously assigned price. Or you can come back here and apply the same alternative price as the slab above. Remember, you can change it as many times as you need. Now let's see how this alternative price works when this same user accesses the website. Here are the bundles available in my system. I'm already logged in as the customer we've created earlier, who was linked to the Fabricator Texas alternative price with a 10% markup. Let's search for the Alaska White stone. Here it is. The price for Alaska White in the system is $16, but with the alternative price applied, this customer sees it at $17.60. For this reason, customers linked to this list will see all bundles with the 10% markup applied. The same applies when a customer is linked to an alternative price with a discount. That's it for today. Make sure to do this for all your bundles and customers. This tool makes pricing management much easier and more flexible. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit slabware.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks.